Hello students, myself Shipra Hada from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we are having revision of chapter 1, that is numbers beyond 999. So students, first of all we'll see how we can form a number. Number कैसे form करेंगे हम? So we are taking digits 2, 4, 9. Students, these three are the digits. 2 is a single digit, 4 is a digit and 9 is also a digit, and if we join these digits together then we can form a number that is 249. Now this will become a number. Is it clear students? So we can say by using the digits we can form a number. So in this chapter we'll study about the numbers that come after 999. So how we can read a large number, how we can write a large number? To read and write a large number we have to use the number system. What we have to use? We have to use number system. According to Indian number system, first will come ones, then tens, then hundreds and then thousand. So now we take a number. Students, open page number 4 and we take a number that is 1563. Now we will see how we can arrange this number according to Indian number system. So students, we have to start from this side and we see this is a digit that is 3 and we have to arrange this digit at ones place. Is it clear? Then we have to arrange this 6 at tens place and this 5 will come at hundreds place and this 1 will come at thousands place. Now we'll read this number 1563. What is the number? The number is 1563. Understood students? So in this way you can read a number, you can write a number. Now we'll see a question that is given on page number 7. Question number 5, exercise 1.1 on page number 7. So question number 5 is write the number names. Numbers are given in the question, we have to write the number names. So we are taking A part of this question and the number is 3463. So students, will start from this side, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So this will be 3463. 3463. So in this way students, you can convert numbers to number names and number names to numbers. So students, now we'll see the next topic that is given on page number 7 only, face value and place value. The topic is face value and place value. So what is the face value student? The face value of a digit is the digit itself. What is the face value? The face value of a digit is the digit itself. So we take a question students, like the question is 239. This is a number 239 and we have to find the face value of these digits. So what will be the face value of 9? As I have told you, the face value of a digit is the digit itself. वो digit खुद उसकी क्या होगी? Face value. So the face value of 9 will be 9. and the face value of 3 will be 3. The face value of 2 is 2, the digit itself. So students, in this way you can find the face value of digits. Now I will tell you place value. So students, for place value you have to see the digit. The digit, suppose the first digit is 9. Now we have to observe ये जो digit है ये किस place पर आ रही है, इसकी position क्या है. As we can see 9 is coming at ones place, ये ones place पर आ रही है. So the place value of this 9 will be 9 ones. Is it clear? And the place value of 3. Now 3 is coming at tens place. So the place value of 3 will be 3 tens. And 2 is coming at hundreds place. So the place value of 2 will be 2 hundreds. So students, in this way you can find the place value of each digit. Or we can say 9 ones, 3 tens means 3 0 30, 3 tens, and 2 hundreds means we can write like this also. We can write 2, and after 2 we have 1, 2, 2 digits, so we can put 2 0 here. Is it clear students? Now we take a question based on this. Question number 5 we are taking. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, write the place value and face value of each circled digit of the given numbers in the table. This is exercise 1.2 given on page number 8 and question number 5. So students, the number is, we are seeing the first number 9671 and the circled digit is 9, and we have to find the face value and place value of this circled digit. So as I have told you, what will be the face value of a digit? The digit itself. The digit is 9 and the face value of 9 will be 9 itself. Now we have to find the place value. This is the face value. So now we have to observe the position of this number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So what is the position of this 9? This is coming at thousands place. So the place value of this 9, this is the face value, and now we are going to write the place value of this 9 is 9 thousands. Or we can write like this only. This also 9,000. After 9 we can see 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. So we can put 1, 2, 3, 3, 0. So this is the face value of 9, the digit itself, and this is the place value of 9, that is 9 thousands. Is it clear students? Now we'll see the next topic student, that is expanded form and short form. The next topic is expanded form and short form. And we are taking question number 3 of exercise 1.2, and the question number 3 is write in expanded form. So we are taking C part, that is 8053, and we have to convert this number to expanded form. We have to write the expanded form of this number. This number is given in short form. कौन सी form में given है ये? Short form, or we can say standard form also. Now we are going to convert this number into expanded form. So how can we convert a number into expanded form? Let's see here. First of all, we have to see this digit and we have to find the place value of this digit, that is 8 thousands. It is coming at thousands place. So the place value of 8 is 8 thousands. Or we can write like this only, this also 8,000. Now the place value of the 0 is coming at hundreds place. So the place value of 0 will be 0 hundreds. This is 0. Or we can see after 0, 1, 2 digits. So we can put 2 0 also. But if we are writing 30, 40 और 10, the meaning will be 0 only. आप एक 0 लिखो, 2 0 लिखो या बहुत सारे 0 लिखो, that will be 0, उसकी वैल्यू तो 0 ही होगी. So we can write 0 only. Now we'll see the place value of this 5, and the place value of 5 is 5 tenths, or we can write 50 also. After 5 we see only one digit, so we'll put 1 0 here. Now we'll write the place value of 3, that is 3 ones. So here what will come? 3. Now we have written the number with their place values, and this is called the expanded form. Numbers को, digit को उसकी place values के साथ addition form में लिखना, that will be expanded form. And again we can convert this expanded form to short form. So we take one more question. Now we are converting expanded form to short form. So students, see question number 4, and the question number 4 is write in short form. Now we have to convert in short form. Expanded form is given in the question. We are taking A part, 4000, then 300, then 10, and then 9. So students, look at this number. This is 4000. It means after 4 we see 3 digits, 3 0 1 2 3. So this 4 is coming at thousands place, and after 1000 what will come? 100, after 100 10, and then ones. So 4 is coming at thousands place, so we'll write 4 here. Now this 3, after 3 we can see 2 0 here, and this is 300. So what is the place value of this 3? The place value of 3 is 300. It means this 3 is coming at hundreds place. Now 1, we can see after 1 there is only 1 0. So the place value of this 1 will be 110. So we'll write 1 here, and the place value of 9 is 9 ones. So we'll write 9 here, and the number is 4319. Now this number, this expanded form has been converted into short form. So students, like this only you can convert short form to standard form, short form to expanded form, and expanded form to short form. Now we'll see the next topic students, that is comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Now we'll see how we can compare two numbers or more than two numbers. So first of all we'll see the numbers that have same digits, जिनमें digits क्या हैं? Same हैं. Question number 1 of exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3, question number 1, that is given on page number 11, and we see D part students, and the D part is 9781, and the next is 9871. So we have same number of digits here, 1 2 3 4, 4 digits we can see in this number, and in the next number again 1 2 3 4 we see 4 digits. So when we have the same number of digits, we have to start comparing the numbers from this side. Thousands place we can see 9, and here also 9, again they both are same. Now we'll compare this number, this digit that is coming at hundreds place. Now we see there is 7 and there is 8, and we know 8 is greater than 7. 8 क्या है? 7 से बड़ा है. So students, if 8 is greater than 7, it means this complete number will be greater than this number. 9781 is smaller than 9871. ये जो number है ये इससे क्या है? छोटा. Is it clear students? But if we have different digits, if the number of digits are different, A part of question number 1, the first number is 237 and the next number is 1201. we have to put the correct sign smaller than, greater than or is equal to. As we can see 1, 2, 3. 3 digits in first number and in the next number we see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. So students number of digits are more in this number. इस number में क्या है? Digits ज़्यादा हैं. तो जिस भी number में number of digits ज़्यादा होंगी this number will be greater than the another number. दूसरे number से ये number क्या हो जाएगा? बड़ा हो जाएगा because we have more digits in this number. Is it clear students? So now we'll see the next topic students, that is before, after and between. Before, after and between on page number 10. Before, after and between. So students, we take a number that is given on page number 12, question number 5, and we are taking a number and the number is 2341. This is the B part of question 5. What is the number? The number is 2341. Now we have to find the number which come before this number and after this number. Question number 5 is write the predecessor and successor of the given number. So first of all student, what is the meaning of predecessor? What is the meaning of successor? The number which come just before the given number. Now what is the given number here? The given number is 2341. This is the given number. अब जो भी number इससे just पहले आएगा that will be predecessor of this number. इस number का क्या होगा वो? Predecessor. And how we can find the predecessor of given number? To find the predecessor of the given number we have to do -1 from the given number. हम उस given number से क्या करेंगे? -1 करेंगे. And we see the number is 1 - 1 0 4 3 2. So now we get 2340 which come just before the given number. 2341 के just पहले क्या आ जाएगा? 2340 and this is called the predecessor of this given number. ये क्या हो जाएगा? Predecessor. Understood students? Now we'll see the number which come just after the given number. This is the given number. Now we'll find the number which come just after this number. इस number के बाद कौन सा number आएगा? To find the number which come just after this number, we have to do +1 in the given number. Given number में हम क्या कर देंगे? +1. Now 1 + 1 2, 4 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 as it is, and the number is 2342. It means 2341 के just बाद कौन सा number आएगा? 2342, and this is called the successor of given number. This is called the successor. So students, this was the given number. ये given number था question में, and this is the predecessor of this given number, and this is the successor of the given number. To find the predecessor, we'll do -1 from the given number, and to find the successor, we have to do +1 to the to the given number. Given number में क्या कर देंगे? +1. So in this way students, you can find the number which come just after the given number and just before the given number. Now we'll see the next topic students, and we see question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6 is choose and write the largest number from the given numbers, and we are observing A part. 3124, this is the first number. Next is 2689. Next is 708. Then 4925, and the last number is 4259. Students, you have to find the largest number from the given numbers. यहाँ बहुत सारे numbers हमें given है, and we have to find the largest number. इनमें से जो सबसे बड़ा number है, that number we have to find. So as we can see, 4 digits. Again in this number we have 4 digits. In this number we have 3 digits only. तो ये तो क्या हो गया? सबसे छोटा हो गया. Leave this number. Again we see 4 digits, and again in this number we see 4 digits. So as I have told you, if we have the same number of digits, we have to start comparing the numbers from this side. Thousands वाले place पे जो numbers हैं हम उसको क्या करेंगे, compare करेंगे. Now we can see 3 here, 2, तो ये तो क्या हो गया, छोटा number हो गया. Leave this number again. 3 here and 4. Now 3 is smaller than 4, again leave this number. Now we have to compare these two numbers 4 and 4. We are not able to compare the digits. Now we have to move at the hundreds place. 9 and here we can see 2. So students, 9 is greater than 2. 9 क्या है, 2 से बड़ा है. So this number will be greater than this number, and this is the largest number among these numbers. इन सारे numbers में ये number क्या हो जाएगा, सबसे बड़ा. So what is the largest number? The largest number is 4925. So students, in this way you can choose and write the largest number from the given numbers. Now we see the next topic students, that is forming 4-digit numbers. Now digits are given in the question and we have to form a number from the given digits. The topic is forming 4-digit number, and we are taking a question of exercise 1.5, 1.4, that is given on page number 13, question number 1, and we are taking A part students. Question number 1 is, build the greatest and the smallest numbers with the given digits using each digit only once. Digits are given in the question and the digits are 3, 8, 2, 1. So in this question students, we have to use these digits. In digits को use करना है हमें, and we have to form the largest and the smallest number. Largest number and smallest number, and digits are given in the question. So whenever we are forming the largest number, first of all we have to see the largest digit. सबसे बड़ी digit को हमें observe करना है, that is 8. 3, 2, 1, ये क्या है, 8 से छोटे हैं. So what is the largest digit? 8. And after 8, 3, after 3, 2, and after 2, 1. So now the largest number by using these digits is 8321. Is it clear? Now we form the smallest number by using these digits. So now we have to take the smallest digit. First of all, we have to take the smallest digit, that is 1s. 1. After 1, 2. After 2, 3, and then 8. And this is the smallest number by using these digits. The largest number is 8321 and the smallest number is 1238. So students, in this way you can form the largest and the smallest number using the digits. Now we see the next topic student, that is given on page number 14, round off. So students, open page number 16, exercise 1.5 on page number 16. Question number 1. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. We have to round off the numbers to the nearest 10 and we are taking C part of this question, that is 95. 95 is the given number. This is given in the question. और हमें क्या करना है, इसे राउंड ऑफ करना है टू द नियरेस्ट 10. So first of all we have to observe the 0 given here. 10 के नियरेस्ट राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं and in 10 we see only 1 0. So we have to observe the last single digit. हमें एक ही digit को observe करना है. Why we are observing only one digit? Because we have only 1 0 in 10. Now this digit is 5. And if we have the digit 5 or more than 5, अगर digit क्या है, या तो 5 है या 5 से बड़ी है, it means we have to increase this number. हम इस number को, पास वाले number को क्या कर देंगे, एक number increase कर देंगे and this digit will become 0. तो ये तो क्या बन गया, 0. And we see the digit is 5. So we have to increase this digit. इससे आप क्या करोगे, एक number increase करोगे. So you have to do +1 in this digit. So 9 + 1 will be 10 एंड 95 जो है वो राउंड ऑफ होके क्या बन जाएगा 100. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ वी सी वन मोर क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. राउंड ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स टू द नियरेस्ट 100. Now we'll round off the numbers to the nearest 100. Question number 2, and we are observing, we are doing E part students, that is 222. So as I have told you, you have to observe the 0 given in the question, and we see 20 here. 100 में कितना 0 है? 20. So we have to observe the last 2 digits. 22. Now this 22 is less than 50. If you see the number 50 or more than 50, अगर यहाँ पर कोई number 50 या 50 से ज़्यादा है, so you have to increase this number. But we have the number less than 50. 50 से छोटा number है, so will not increase this number. This number will be as it is. 2 will be as it is, and here we have to become, इन दोनों डिजिट्स को हम क्या बना देंगे 0 0. सो 222 100 के नियरेस्ट राउंड ऑफ होकर क्या बन गया 200. इज इट क्लियर? सो इन दिस वे स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन फाइंड एंड यू कैन राउंड ऑफ द नंबर्स. नाउ वी सी द लास्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज इवन एंड ऑड नंबर्स. इवन एंड ऑड नंबर्स. So the numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. कोई भी नंबर अगर किससे एंड होता है 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, the numbers will be even numbers. If the numbers are ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, the numbers will be odd numbers. Is it clear? So now see question number 4, and the question number 4 is separate and write the even and odd numbers into their respective boxes. So we are taking the first number, and the first number is 46. So students, as I have told you, you have to observe the last digit, and the last digit is 6. 6 कहाँ आ रहा है? In even numbers. So this number will be even number. Now we see the next number, that is 83. Again you have to observe the last digit, that is 3. Now we are observing 3, and अगर कोई number 3 से end होता है, that will be odd number. So 83 will be odd number. So in this way students, you can separate the numbers in even and odd. I hope students you have you understood this chapter well. Thank you.